React renders your component, but sometimes you need to run code after the UI appears. That is exactly what useEffect does. Here is the basic syntax. useEffect takes a function and optionally a dependency array. React renders first, then the browser updates the page, and only after that the effect runs. This is the part most people need. Without dependencies, it runs after every render. With an empty array, it runs once on mount, and with dependencies, it runs only when those values change. That is why we use useEffect for things like fetching data, subscriptions, or timers. A simple mental model is this. A state change triggers React. React updates its virtual tree, compares the difference, patches the page, and then your effect runs. So think of useEffect as React saying, run this code after the page is updated. So what React concept do you want to explore next? Drop it in the comments. And if this clicked for you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop. See you in the next one.